Courier Simplicity lawnmower. I believe it's a 36 inch. Yes, 36 inch lawnmower. This is the block off plate I put on the discharge chute. I couldn't get a mulching kit. Tried twice, once in June and the other time in September. No luck. The independent vendors had a no return policy if you didn't get it right. I didn't want to take a chance, so I put this block off plate on there to see what the results would be, and I'll be showing you that shortly. My yard was completely clear Sunday. It is now Thursday. This video will show how to get around using a mulcher kit on a lawnmower. I'll show you the results shortly. This is 2 days after I cleaned the yard. So I'm going to try it again. I'm going to use a Simplicity Courier 36 inch zero turn lawnmower. Couldn't get a mulching kit, so I put a block off plate. I'll show you results later. The end result, just using a blocking plate and making 2 passes. Just an FYI on the blocking plate, this is not a commercial plate. I just used some scrap metal I had around the garage just to see what would happen. Thanks for watching. Hope I helped you.